Wir sind SONAX.
Ich bin SONAX.
Jag är SONAX.
Ich bin SONAX.
I am SONAX.
Ik ben SONAX.
Ich bin SONAX.
Ich bin SONAX.
I am SONAX.
SONAX recently held an event at the Escala Hotel in Tagaytay City with its newest products on the spotlight. SONAX representative Werner Hoffmann, area sales manager for Asia Pacific of SONAX Germany, hosted a classroom session with the select members of the motor media, wherein participants learned more about the history and the unique proposition of the German car care brand.
SONAX is a brand coming from Germany, exclusively made in Germany, and we bring the product to the market in the Philippines. And actually we feel like the time has come that the Filipino market is mature enough to sell and commercialize car care products made in Germany, because the car market in the Philippines is also growing, maybe not rapidly growing, but growing on a good level.
Ich bin SONAX.
The classroom session focused on the brand's lineup, which included the Gloss Shampoo, Easy Shine, High Speed Wax, Brilliant Shine Detailer, Extreme Interior Cleaner, Leather Care Foam, Tire Gloss Gel, and Wheel Cleaner. Aside from that, to further showcase the capabilities of SONAX products, the event featured an activity wherein the participants engaged on the task of cleaning their personal cars. According to the organizers, this is the best way for them to not only experience the SONAX line firsthand, but to know more on how to take care of their vehicles without having to go to a professional detailer.
If you understand cleaning the paint and taking care of the paint, it is not as easy as just taking a normal dishwashing detergent and applying it on the paint and after that drying it off, because paint technology also keeps on changing. Car manufacturers, as the new cars come, change the kind of clear coat you have on the paint. So SONAX has got a big R&D team that looks at all the new types of paint surfaces, and what they do is they develop products specifically to treat new paint as well as old paint, which is why SONAX is always up to date with the latest technology when it comes to paint cleaning.
The interactive event was also fitting as SONAX aims to reintroduce its brand here in the Philippines. The company says that the event, as well as the latest addition to its lineup of products, is meant to bring the brand closer to the public and to raise the level of awareness about the benefits of having your car protected from any element. As an OEM detailing supplier provider of automotive brands for Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Volkswagen, local automotive brands supported the SONAX activity by providing vehicles for the event. Motor Image Subaru provided a 2019 Lavoric wagon, and Nissan Philippines sent their Patrol and Terra SUVs that were used as demo cars for the car wash activity. SONAX products and detailing services are available in dealers and car wash establishments nationwide.
I am SONAX.